Today we're going to remove the one-way check valve for the air injection, secondary air injection on this 2016 Chevy Cruze. Alright, so first thing is first, let's go ahead and undo this pigtail. Let's go ahead and simply press that in and pull backwards. This one here, we're going to pinch here and pull outwards. I'm probably going to need both hands for that one. Alright, and there it is, and we'll just set that over to the side. Now we have three 13mm screws or bolts, 3 bolts down here, 1, 2, and the third one is in there. And there it is, 1, 2, and 3. So let's go ahead and remove those using a 13 deep socket with a short extension and just a ratchet. We should be able to reach it. Yep. So let's go ahead and break all these loose and drive them out. Alright, once you remove all 3 bolts, just put them in a nice safe location. And once you have them all out, this should just drop right away. There it is. Just a little, you can see it there. Just a little gasket that fell. Make sure you don't lose this. Might need it. It is metal, so it's a little damaged there. Might just need to get a replacement for this, but there it is. This is how you remove the one-way check valve on the 2016 Chevy Cruze. You could also remove it from here, but I think it's best just to replace the whole thing. I think there's a gasket in the middle as well, and that might just go bad because this is metal and plastic. So let me go ahead and open this up. I believe that's a Torx 25. Alright, so Torx 25. There it is. Go ahead and remove all 4 screws or bolts. Alright, and there it is. All you do is just pry this open. There it is. You can see all the carbon deposits here and here, especially here. So I think it's best just to replace everything. This is a one-way check valve. So this looks like this is the check valve. It opens up this flap to let air in. Should close it so no air gets inwards or goes backwards, but it looks like there might be an opening on there. Let's shine some light in there. Well, I tried putting that drop light close to it and my flashlight on my phone, and I didn't see anything, but it's pretty corroded in there. Turn on the light, you can see all that gunk in there. So I think it's just best to replace the whole housing and the check valve, because this is the electronic and this is the one-way check valve. The whole thing needs to be replaced, honestly, in my opinion. So that is how you remove that one-way check valve from this 2016 Chevy Cruze with a 1.8 liter motor. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.